Hello everyone and welcome to my art channel. I'm Angelia Bliss with Angie's Art Asylum, and I need to get rid of some paints. Some bloom paints that I've had sitting here for literally at least a month. So today we are doing a split base modified bloom, and I was testing some paints as my base paint, and I had a gallon of this color mixed up and I've never used it, so I gave it a spin yesterday and I really like it with these colors, so I figured I'd share it with you guys. Now some of these paints I'm not going to be able to remember what they are. I know I have a phthalo green, I have a gold cell activator, I have a blue black cell activator, I have a 24 karat gold Deco Art, I have the Folk Art Treasure Gold and blue quartz, I have a custom purple that I mixed up, I have a maroon. I'm pretty sure that some of the sangria TLP is in there, and then I have a yellow, and I'm pretty sure that it's some sort of yellow. I can't remember. I'm sorry, guys. It's been a while. When I wasn't feeling well, I did a few paintings for a couple of my shows, and I came in here the other day and I was like, I really need to use those paints instead of just throw them away, and they're still good. So we're going to use them. Alright. So let's get started. Hope everyone's well, and hope everyone's ready for a new year. I know I am. I've got this stick here. Hopefully it's just going to provide a barrier for me for both. This is a 8 inch by 8 inch gallery wrapped artist loft canvas. And this is just going to create like a little barrier for me to keep my line straight. Now this green, I forget the color. I just got like a color swatch and was like, hey, can you make me this color? So they did. But it is the Valspar 2000. I'm not real happy with it, so I'm probably just going to use it quite a bit to make different things. And then this white is an antique white. It's the Walmart Color Place. And I added Floetrol and water to this to kind of thin it out a little bit to be the same consistency as the green, because the green is a little thin. So hopefully our other paints will float on top and not sink down. So we'll see how that works out. See how that worked? Now we're just going to spin this and get the paint off. Lots of paint on there. Don't want a whole lot of paint on it when you spin. Hopefully that goes down the sides and covers well. Just going to help it along a little bit. This is the phthalo green, and I'm pretty sure I added something else, but I'm not sure. Not sure what it was. We're just going to do 2 blooms because it's an 8 by 8. It's very small. So I'm just going to do one right here and one right here. They'll attach and blow them out, and we'll modify them. So we're just going to use my little mini blower. We're going to blow it out. Gold kind of got lost there. I think it's like right there. Okay, so now I'm going to give her a spin. Maybe we do a deconstructed on this. Yeah, let's do that instead. Change my mind, guys. Change my mind. Don't really have enough paint on here to do it. We're just going to stretch these out. I'm going to do a modified bloom, but those got a little wonky. Pretty sure it's because of the paint. Don't like wasting paint though, so we will just make do here. That we've got. I'm going to bring it this way so you're not going to be able to see it for just a second. I'll speed this up, but that way you won't have to wait so long. A little negative space. I like that. I like it better than if I were to have modified it, because of the fact that I had this really dark center right here in this bloom, And once I spun it out, it kind of blew up a little bit and was not to my liking. So we will take this as a win for a deconstructed bloom. But I really like the way it kind of played out. So I will get you guys down and then show you the dried results here in about a day. So stay tuned.